What is going on, traders? Welcome back to Atlas Options channel. In this video we'll talk about the bull flag chart pattern and how to use it in trading. The bull flag chart pattern is a continuation pattern that forms during an uptrend. The pattern resembles a flag on a pole, with the pole being the uptrend, and the flag being a consolidation period. The consolidation period is a narrow range in which the price moves sideways. The bull flag pattern signals that the uptrend is likely to continue after the consolidation period ends. To identify a bull flag chart pattern, you first need to look for an uptrend. This can be identified by looking for a series of higher highs and higher lows on the price chart. Once you have identified an uptrend, you should then look for a consolidation period. During this period, the price should move in a narrow range that is smaller than the previous price range. The consolidation period should resemble a flag, with a sharp move up, followed by a parallel channel that slopes down slightly. The flag should be shorter in duration than the pole. Once the consolidation period is complete, the pattern is confirmed when the price breaks out of the channel and resumes the uptrend. The breakout should be accompanied by high trading volume. To trade the bull flag chart pattern, you can enter a long position once the breakout occurs. This means buying the asset with the expectation that the price will continue to rise. You should set a stop-loss order below the consolidation period to limit your losses if the price does not continue to rise. You should also set a profit target based on the length of the pole. This means taking profits when the price has risen by the same amount as the length of the pole. Note that not all bull flag patterns will result in a successful trade. Therefore, it's important to use risk management strategies and combine pattern analysis with other forms of technical analysis and market research. You should also monitor the trade closely and adjust your stop loss and profit target as necessary. By doing so, you can increase your chances of success when trading the bull flag chart pattern. Now you know how to spot the bull flag pattern on the chart and how to trade it. To solidify your knowledge, go through the charts, try to find this pattern, and see how the price action played out. This practical exercise will definitely improve your trading skills. If you find this material useful, please give it a like, make sure you get subscribed, hit notification bell to stay up to date. Also make sure you check out the links in description to support the channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.